Welcome back to our YouTube channel. This is the segment where we discuss important insurance clauses. Today, we have an important clause to discuss, and that is 85% condition of average clause. This clause often causes confusion and can significantly impact insurance claims. If you've ever wondered what happens when you underestimate the value of your insured property and the implications it has on your coverage, this video is for you. The 85% condition of average clause is a clause commonly found in insurance policies that plays a crucial role in determining how losses are settled when the insured property is underinsured. In this video, we'll break down the 85% condition of average clause and explain its significance for both insurance providers and policyholders. We'll explore how this clause encourages accurate property valuation, ensures fair claims settlement, and promotes risk management practices. Understanding this clause is vital for anyone who wants to make informed decisions about their insurance coverage. Whether you're a homeowner, business owner, or simply interested in insurance concepts, this video will provide you with valuable insights. Join us as we unravel the complexities of this clause, demystify its implications, and discuss real-life scenarios to illustrate its importance. We'll also provide practical tips to help you avoid underinsurance and ensure you're adequately protected. So, if you're ready to dive into the world of insurance and gain a deeper understanding of the 85% condition of average clause, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. You won't want to miss any of our informative videos. Let's jump right in and explore the ins and outs of the 85% condition of average clause together. Get ready for an enlightening journey. What is 85% condition of average clause? The 85% condition of average clause is a concept used in insurance policies, particularly in property insurance, to determine how losses are settled when the insured property is underinsured. When you purchase insurance for your property, it is essential to adequately estimate the total value of the property and insure it for its full replacement cost. However, if you underestimate the value and insure it for less than the actual replacement cost, you may be considered underinsured. In the event of a covered loss, such as a fire or a major incident, if the insurance company determines that the insured property is underinsured, the principle of the 85% condition of average may come into play. The 85% condition of average clause means that if the insured property is underinsured by 15% or less of its actual replacement value, the insurance company will still pay the full amount of the loss. However, if the property is underinsured by more than 15%, the insurance company will only pay a proportionate amount based on the percentage of underinsurance. Here's an example to illustrate how the 85% condition of average clause works. Let's say you insured your property for $300,000, but the actual replacement cost is determined to be $400,000. In this case, you are underinsured by 25% or $100,000, which is more than the 15% threshold. If a covered loss occurs with a value of $100,000, the insurance company will apply the 85% condition of average clause. They will calculate the proportionate amount based on the underinsurance percentage. In this example, they would pay 75% of the loss, i.e., $100,000, because you are underinsured by 25%. Therefore, the insurance company would pay $75,000, and you would be responsible for the remaining $25,000 out of pocket. It's important to note that the 85% condition of average clause is not universal and can vary between insurance policies and jurisdictions. The specific terms and conditions regarding underinsurance and the application of the condition of average will be outlined in your insurance policy documents. It is crucial to carefully review your policy and consult with your insurance provider to fully understand how underinsurance and the 85% condition of average may affect your coverage and claims settlement. Importance of 85% condition of average clause in insurance. The 85% condition of average clause in insurance policies is of significant importance for both insurance providers and policyholders. Here's why. 1. Encourages adequate coverage. The presence of the 85% condition of average clause encourages policyholders to accurately assess and insure their property for its full replacement value. It serves as a reminder to insure the property adequately, as underinsurance can lead to significant financial losses in the event of a claim. This clause motivates policyholders to maintain proper coverage levels and mitigate the risk of being underinsured. 2. Fairness in claims settlement. The 85% condition of average clause helps ensure fairness in claims settlement for both insurance companies and policyholders. It prevents policyholders from intentionally underinsuring their property to save on premiums and still receive full compensation for losses. By applying proportionate payment based on the degree of underinsurance, the clause promotes a balanced and equitable claims settlement process. 3. Risk management for insurers. For insurance companies, the 85% condition of average clause serves as a risk management tool. It helps mitigate the risk of insuring underinsured properties without appropriate premiums. By implementing this clause, insurance providers can ensure that policyholders are responsible for a portion of the losses if they have significantly underestimated the property's value. This helps maintain the overall sustainability of insurance coverage and prevents adverse selection. 4. Educates policyholders. The presence of the 85% condition of average clause helps educate policyholders about the importance of accurate property valuation and adequate coverage. It prompts them to reassess their insurance needs periodically and consider potential changes in property value or replacement costs. Policyholders become more aware of the risks of underinsurance and are encouraged to update their coverage accordingly, promoting better risk management practices. 5. Financial stability for policyholders. From a policyholder's perspective, the 85% condition of average clause provides financial stability. It discourages the potential for significant out-of-pocket expenses resulting from underinsurance. While policyholders may still bear some of the losses in the event of underinsurance, the clause prevents them from facing a complete financial burden that may be difficult to manage. It's important to note that the specific application and implications of the 85% condition of average clause can vary between insurance policies and jurisdictions. Therefore, it is crucial for policyholders to carefully review their insurance policy documents, seek clarification from their insurance provider, and ensure they understand how the clause may impact their coverage and claims settlement. How to avoid being penalized by 85% condition of average clause. Avoiding penalties imposed by the 85% condition of average clause requires careful consideration and proactive steps to ensure your property is adequately insured. Here are some key strategies to help you avoid being penalized. 1. Accurate property valuation. Start by conducting a thorough assessment of your property's value. Consider factors such as the cost of rebuilding or replacing the property, including materials, labor, and associated expenses. Consult professionals, such as appraisers or contractors, to obtain accurate estimates. It's important to review and update your property valuation periodically to reflect any changes in construction costs or property improvements. 2. Regular insurance reviews. Periodically review your insurance policy to ensure it reflects the current value of your property. Changes such as renovations, additions, or improvements should be promptly communicated to your insurance provider. Stay proactive and consider revisiting your coverage whenever significant changes occur. 3. Seek professional guidance. Consult with an experienced insurance agent or broker who can provide expert advice on appropriate coverage levels for your property. They can help you assess your needs accurately and guide you in selecting the right insurance policy to avoid potential penalties associated with underinsurance. 4. Consider extended replacement cost coverage. Some insurance policies offer extended replacement cost coverage, which provides additional protection above the insured value of the property. This can help safeguard against unexpected increases in rebuilding costs and provide a buffer against penalties imposed by the 85% condition of average clause. Discuss this option with your insurance provider to see if it's suitable for your situation. 5. Regularly assess underinsurance risk. Stay vigilant about the risk of underinsurance. Regularly reassess your property's value and consider external factors that may impact replacement costs, such as inflation or changes in local building codes. It's essential to be proactive and adjust your coverage accordingly to minimize the risk of penalties imposed by the 85% condition of average clause. 6. Seek professional valuations. For high-value properties or unique assets, consider obtaining professional valuations or appraisals. This can provide a more accurate assessment of the replacement value and help ensure your coverage aligns with the true worth of your property. Remember, it's crucial to thoroughly review and understand the terms and conditions of your insurance policy, including any clauses related to underinsurance and the 85% condition of average. If you have any doubts or questions, don't hesitate to reach out to your insurance provider or seek advice from a qualified professional to ensure your property is adequately protected. By following these steps, you can minimize the risk of penalties associated with the 85% condition of average clause and ensure that you have appropriate coverage for your property. Thank you for watching.